Oops, it's taking a video.
That's okay.
Well, here's all the birds that are in the yard.
You want to get a video of them flying away?
Sure, go ahead.
Let's go towards anything? That's trying to scare them.
Make it louder. Here, I'm going to stop.
I think if we wanted them to scurry away, you'd have to, like, be walking up the street filming.
Mm-hmm.
Go for it.
Here, why don't we just wait for a car?
I'm going to use the car.
It would work.
Alright.
Here, let me try shaking the chair. Here, take the camera while I move the chair.
Okay, that's loud.
Here, hold this.
Recording?
Yeah.
Alright, go run up the street.
What?
Go run up the street.
No.
There they go.
Some of them.
Seriously. Oh.
Wow. It's crazy.
I don't know what I caught.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at.
I don't know if I'm catching it. Oh yeah. Cool and creepy.
Mhm.
Here you go. It's still filming.
Oh look.
Here, you got it.
They just went.
You got it. You hear the poop?
Is that the poop?
Yeah.
I just saw something fall.
Ew. Ew.
Is it falling?
I hear it.
Yeah. Or is that them snapping twigs as they're taking off? I think I just saw something fell. Yeah, I saw that.
Ew. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not the sound of rain you hear. Ew. Don't go out there without an umbrella.
This can be our horror film.
It is. What are they eating?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it could be. If you get real good shots and then make your own sound.
Yeah. We should just upload this onto YouTube anyway, just for the heck of it.
Okay.
Want to get closer though, but I don't
Go ahead.
Here, hopefully they won't attack.
They're not gonna attack
or poop
you.
on me.
Well, they might poop on you.
Ooh.
Keep it still. They're moving.
Just like black over there.
Yeah, it's covering the whole yard.
Here, go get the car. I want to drive by slowly and then we can get a picture of them flying away. Here, I'm just going to walk down there. Yeah, I noticed that. Here they go. Oh, there they go. Now they're down by the cul-de-sac. I didn't really get them. They are in the treetops. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's probably their pooping
We're
spot.
below. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. If we run by our house, I think they'll fly out of the tree again. Want to?
Sure.
Okay.
Here, I'll stay here and you run by, so that I can get a good image of them. What? Oh, here comes some directly overhead. Now they're like right in this tree, Mom. Yeah. Oh, look at this. They're all coming overhead. This isn't good. Poop-wise. What?
I think it's heavier than rain. I think they're pooping. Ooh,
this is a good picture.
Cool.
Oh, this would be fun to put on YouTube actually.
Do it.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's so cool.
Wonder how many there are.
Yeah. I guess at least 1,000.
They're all in that one tree.
Which tree? I don't know. I think most of them are past already.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, if you look, there really aren't that many in there. There's like some here. Hope this doesn't run out of battery or in the middle of it. Yeah. Oh, there they go. And more are coming.
There they come again.
That's just crazy.